The Fidelity Cash Management Account is a brokerage account designed to integrate spending, saving, and investing functionalities. It offers features akin to traditional checking and savings account, such as free debit card, check writing capabilities, and online bill pay. Notably, the account has no monthly fees or minimum balance requirements. Now, the FDIC insured option provides protection up to $5 million by distributing funds across multiple partner banks. In contrast, money market funds are not FDIC insured and carry different risk consideration. Here are the couple of pros and cons. The pros: no fees or minimums. There's ATM fee reimbursement and integrated financial services. The cons: interest rates may be lower than competitors and limited physical branches. Now, the Fidelity Cash Management Account is a robust option for individuals seeking an all-in-one financial platform with no fees, extensive ATM access, and integrated investment option. However, those prioritizing the highest possible interest rate or in-person banking services may need to explore additional options to meet their specific needs.